Today I'm going to fix the crack on my garage between the driveway. Khó trái nào cũng khó tao của nó là dùng nó thiệt xí mà đôi lò na chị này cái ô rú hậu của nó là it's raining and there's a big hole like a canyon. So I'm going to show you how to fix. Baby, move, 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 move. Oh, man. What the heck? I'm going to use this hammer, big hammer here to smash safety glass. Baby, move. Baby, move. Danger, danger. No, yeah. Come on, move, move. No, yeah. Nè nó sửa cho con nà này. Đừng lúc khó trong nó chị thì chỉ khó chị lười xong sức chị nó lúc chuyện nào nhiều quá đạt. So be careful. Do not damage the garage. Okay. Đừng rong lên nó hổ đó.
Oh, Mom, the cement's still here.
Which one?
The cement.
Both sides have a hole here, so we have to fill dirt in. Nếu rung nó đó, của lúc cả là nó chỉ ở sát tận nó chỉ to cho khó để rung nó hole, bỏ cho concrete nhá. So it looks like this inside. Rung nó hole. Boy, so I'm trying. Inside is concrete. Oh boy. Tôi khó rung nó đấy. Khớp áo đấy. Khớp áo cho mình không. My dirt. The dirt, sand, and then cement. Maybe that. Move. Danger, okay? Under the knee of garage, here, concrete here, there's a hole, so you have to fill the hole. Hole nó to lúc khó, người khó chua hole nó khó cave hole nó, so này chúng mình giờ dùng cho này, giờ dùng cho thế đi, thế yeah, này khó to. So we close the hole. Adding some water in. Make sure fill all the hole with the dirt. Make sure you push tightly. And it has to be like deep, like 3 to 4 inches before you put the cement in. Okay.
Okay.
I need a little bit of water.
That's good.
Okay, so now it looks like a clay. This is looks like. No. My daughter, she helped me. Don't give it home. You added too much water, ยอมไม่ยอม
It probably will take longer to dry. But, you know, like you said, it's usable still.
Mày, có muốn coi cho mình cho tổ thở?
More cement, the better.
I think we need a slope, Mom.
What?
A slope. They didn't pay from the loop driveway Muro down where now.
Hey, if you're still looking at your phone, let me know when it's free. I mean,
Oh, I finished put the cement on. This is looks like. We'll see the result. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to cover with the plywood. Make sure no animal or people step on the cement. Nó là của tụi gì? Mình còn được cái nữ qua có selling right về nữa. Thì có chủ mua và chúa cho ca cho không nhớ tới ca cho. Chị cho chị cho và hoa tiền latex dry về theo lửa sao lửa nữa nè, sao lửa nó. Thì cho lò mù lò nó đó. So this is the final me and my husband we going do for today. Nè chú she cho nó là một xíu đó, anh nó chỉ dùng đằng đắt thôi đó, okay? You have to use this to do the selling. Nè ôn on cái chỉ tao vậy nè. Chỗ này cái xin nào lo nữa cho mang là đắt hơn á. So you have to sell